Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. So in today's video, I am going to discuss about today's paper, 13 September NEET 2020 paper. My test booklet code is H5. This I am going to solve. Please go through the question. So whatever you keep your question paper with you and mark the answer. Then tell me what is the answer. How many questions are correct in chemistry. I am going to discuss only in chemistry. H5 is the test code. Yes, fatafat. We will continue with this. And detailed answer I am going to discuss in detail. So here I am going to tell only the answer here. Remember that. Yes, wherever it is possible I am going to tell the detailed answer also. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and support. Definitely I hope my contents are really helped you to get good marks in chemistry. Yes. And the analysis of the paper, if I tell, the paper was very easy. These many years, whatever the paper I have seen, this year paper is very, very easy. Just little bit twisted was there in one or two questions, but the overall paper was very, very easy. Yes. In this particular case, first question you can see, hydrolysis of sucrose is given by the following reaction. This equation. So option may be different according to your version code or the test booklet code. Please go through that and then you mark the answer. So the correct answer for this question is second option in this particular case, hydrolysis of sucrose. The reason for this is you can see, formula is delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln K. R value, T value, ln of 2 in 10 to the power 13. So hence the answer for that question is, remember, that is minus 8.314 into 300 into ln 2 into 10 to the power 13. So answer is 2. Yes. And the 137th question is a direct question. Elimination reaction of 2-bromopentane to form pent-2-ene. Definitely it is beta elimination. Follows Zetsev's rule or Sedgwick's rule. Dehydrohalogenation. So ABC is correct. ABC. Second option is the correct one. 138th question. Identify the correct statement. Very simple question. We know that pig iron can be molded into variety of shapes, but wrought iron is pure. So hence the second is wrong. Third one is SO2. Third one is wrong. Fourth one is wrong. So the answer is first one. The 139th question. Number of Faraday is required to produce 20 gram of calcium. So we know that 20 gram calcium is 2 plus. So 40 divided by 2, that is 20 gram. 20 gram is 1 Faraday is required. So the answer for this question is 2. Calculated spin only magnetic moment. Cr2 plus means there are 4 electrons. 4 unpaired means, remember, 4.90 is the answer. Answer is 3. Sucrose on hydrolysis. Very simple question. Alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. 142 HCl was passed through a solution. This was little bit twist, but very simple question it is. So here it will crystallize only NaCl. Remember, only NaCl is crystallized here. 143rd question. We know that H2S2O8 peroxide disulfuric acid. So it is having peroxide linkage, OO linkage in this case. Then, so 144th question. 144th question. Correct answer is second one. Remember Q0, delta T0, W0 because it is free expansion of ideal gas under a diabatic condition. So W is equal to 0, Q is equal to 0, delta T is also equal to 0. 145th question. So find out the solubility of NaOH twice 0.1 m NaOH given that the ionic product. So in this particular case, remember, so here I have solved the question. You can see that KSP formula is Ni2 plus into OH minus to the power 2. OH minus is 20. This in this particular case, remember 2s. 2s because Ni2 plus NiOH twice when it is dissociated will give rise to Ni2 plus 2OH minus. So if it is yes, if it is 2s, I am going to write. So 2s plus 1, 0.1 from where you have taken. So NaOH they have given 0.1. Right? So 0.1, 2s into 0.1, 2s you have to neglect because it is solubility very less, hence it is 0.1. So KSP divided by 0.1 into 0.1, so that is 0.1 square. So you are going to get the 2 in 10 to the power minus 13. Answer is 2. So 2. 146. An increase in the concentration of the reactant. Collision frequency. Direct question it is very simple. Collision frequency. Urea reacts with water. Remember, definitely remember urea reacts with water to form ammonia. Ammonia, blue color is the hint here. Blue color is nothing but CuNS3 4 times 2 plus. So the answer is third one. 148th question. So it is very simple. CO plus S2 is synthesis gas, right? A3, 3 options left. Then temporary hardness MgH2, HCO3 twice and calcium hydroxide, calcium bicarbonate, we know that. So B1 is present in only one option, that is second option is the correct one. B1 is present in only one option, that is second option is the correct one. That is 148th question. The next question, remember, in this particular case, next question, you can see which of the following is a cationic detergent. Very simple question. So cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide is the answer. 150. So match the following. Very simple. CO is neutral. Carbon monoxide is neutral. Only one option left. A2. Right? So option is third one. Which of the following is basic amino acid? Very simple, basic amino acid is lysine. The number of proton, neutron, electron, simpler than this question, you will never get it in your life, remember. So very simple answer, proton is 71, 104 is the neutron, 175 minus 71, so electron is 71, so the answer is second option, 71, 104, 71. So option may be different according to your version code, please see the version code and decide. Yes, 153. In case of 153, alkene on ozonolysis gives methanol. Methanol as a product, HCHO. HCHO is possible only for this one. HCHO, because here we will break and oxygen here we will add. HCHO, only fourth option is the correct one. Identify the incorrect match. Unnilnilium, correct. So it is also correct. Only the correct option is unanium. Darmstadtium is given, right? But actually it is rhongenium, remember. So the answer for this question is D, 4. Then 155, very simple question. Potassium is the answer. Potassium is the answer. 155th question. Then 156 question. Paper chromatography is an example of thin layer chromatography. So the answer is fourth one. On electrolysis, dilute sulfuric acid. Answer is oxygen gas is liberated. Remember, in my notes also it is very clear. So Wood's reaction. N-heptane. Remember, N-heptane is the answer because N-heptane is asymmetric one. So hence the answer is this one. 159. This is a direct question from the NCERT. So SCN. So if you see the analysis, complete NCERT based question they have asked. Very simple. So second one is the answer. And for the reaction 2Cl, here you can see 2 mole becomes 1 mole. Hence delta S decreases less than 0. And delta H. So bond is formed. Bond formed is exothermic reaction. Hence it is negative. Delta S less than 0. Answer is 1. So 161. So answer is 500 here. Because in this particular case, remember, I have solved the question. You can see that here. So 4.6 in 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 2.303 T log 2 by 0.2. So in this particular case, remember 2 gram initial and left out is 0.2. So 2 by 0.2 is log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1. So that T is equal to 2.303 divided by 4.6. You are going to get the answer 0.5 into 10 to the power 3. Nothing but 500 seconds. So direct question it is 500 seconds is the answer. 162, definitely benzaldehyde and acetophenone, cross-Aldol condensation. It is a direct question from the NCERT. You can go through that. 163, an element has body center, direct question, root 3 R by 4, root 3A by 4 it is, right? So root 3A by 4, root 3A by 4 is the answer. So answer is 2. Identify the X in the following. In this particular case, remember, so here X is formed. X may be this one, this one, this one, this one. But you can see benzaldehyde is there. Correct? Benzaldehyde is there. Benzaldehyde is formed by only hydrolysis of CHCl2. Hence the answer for this question is C6H5CHCl2. 165. Freezing point depression is given. So they are asking the question. Very simple. Formula in this particular case is, remember, delta TF is equal to KF into M. Here I value is equal to 1 because non-electrolyte. KF into M you have to do. Simplest question. So you are going to get the answer it as 0.4. Identify the incorrect statement. First statement itself you can see oxidation state of chromium in CrO4 2- and Cr2O7 2- are not same they are telling, but both are +6 only. So the answer for this question is, remember, first one. Measuring zeta potential. Remember, measuring zeta potential, answer is stability of the colloidal particles. Identify the molecule which does not exist. He2. Very simple question. Molecular orbital theory. He2. Identify the correct statement. Very simple. CO2 gas is used as refrigerant, but this is wrong. Remember, CO2 solid is used as a refrigerant. Solid CO2, dry ice. Hence, A is wrong. Little bit twisted one. A is wrong. So B is wrong because 12 5-membered and 26-membered ring. Hence, it is wrong. ZSM5 type of zeolite used to convert. It is correct, and CO odorless, colorless is correct. C and D. So first option is the correct one. 170. Mixture of N2 and AR. Very simple question it is. So mixture of N2 and AR. So in this particular case, I have solved this question. You can see that. So partial pressure of nitrogen is equal to total pressure into mole fraction. Mole fraction of nitrogen is 7 by 28. Because here 7 is a mass. Molecular mass is not 14. You have to take it as N2 gas. So 28. 7 by 28 divided by 7.28 plus 8 by 40. So 8 by 40. 8 gram and 40. Right? 0.55 you will get. 0.55 into 27 you will get the answer as 15. So the answer for this question is 15. 171 tertiary butyl alcohol, because reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium bromide, you are going to get that. And anisole on cleavage with HI, very simple question it is, right? Anisole with HI, so OHCS3, so OHCS3I. So second one option, second one is the correct one. 173, which of the following is a natural polymer? Cis 1,4 polyisoprene. This is natural rubber, remember. Now in this particular case, 174, which of the following is not correct about carbon monoxide? Remember, we know that due to incomplete combustion, carboxyhemoglobin, but the answer is fourth one because it is less stable they have given, but it is more stable. 175, 1 gram of lithium is the answer. The reason for that is, remember, if you take Na, Avogadro number, 1 mole contains Avogadro number, calculate moles, 1 by 7, here 1 by 108, 1 by 24, 1 by 16, 1 by 7 you will get the highest answer, so highest maximum number of molecule is present in, this is 175, first one. 176, molecule C, zero dipole moment, boron trifluoride, we know that it is trigonal planar, beryllium, so linear, carbon monoxide linear, 1,4-dichlorobenzene is also, remember, linear, the symmetric one, hence answer is first one. Tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable, that is reason, so minus I is not possible, R effect will never comes under this, so answer is hyperconjugation, so option is 1. Then in this case, 178, definitely carboylamine test is shown by primary amines, primary amine is C, so answer is this for this particular question, remember 178, the answer is C. Answer is 2, this aniline is the answer, so 178. 179, mixture of which shows positive deviation, very simple, ethanol and acetone. What is the change in oxidation number of the carbon in the following reaction? So minus 4 to plus 4, remember minus 4 to plus 4, the answer for this particular question is fourth one. So this is the one, this is the today's NEET paper. I hope you have got your marks, so you can comment your marks if you don't have any objection. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.